Guyanese Chinese fried rice, one of the most sought after dish there is in Guyana. Today, I'm going to show you an easy, simple way of preparing this dish. You don't have to use any cold rice. You can use the hot rice just off the stove. Hey guys, it's Vlad, and today we've got a really nice one. I've been making fried rice for the past 2 decades. Any style of fried rice you can think of, I've tried before. Made a lot of mistakes, and I've worked on my improvement. And it's always been about the rice. You make the rice good, your fried rice is always the best. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using today. I will also list everything in the description box. Most of these stuff is our everyday stuff we have in our pantries and kitchen. So let's get started. First, with the rice. Sesame oil, very important. Unwashed rice. The secret is right here. The unwashed rice will coat really nice with the oil. I will not get the rice to be stuck together. Mix it really well. Get everything coated. Add some salt. I'm just putting a little bit of sugar, but you can omit this. Soy sauce, very important. Let this fry with the rice and the oil and mix into the coating very good. Look at this. This is the color already for fried rice. This is what you're looking for. We're going to add some water. So it's 3 cups of water to 2 cups of rice. Stir constantly. Bring this up to a boil. Do not cover it as yet. Let half of the water evaporates. Then we're going to cover this for about 30 minutes. Turn the heat down and let it simmer. If you make a mistake with the rice, that is usually when the rice becomes very soft and you do not get that nice loose fried rice you're looking for. This is what it looks like 30 minutes afterwards. Nice and loose. As you can see, it's still hot. I'm going to remove it and set it aside. Now I'm going to fry the eggs and put this aside also. Some people like to add the veggies and stuff to the egg, but this is how I make it. I've been making it the same way for many years. Here are all the lovely vegetables I cut up. If you notice, they're all cut up very small. Ginger, onion, garlic, scallions, and all the other stuff. Sesame oil again. First, we're going to start with the onion, ginger, and the garlic. Let it roast and toast for about a minute. Get some of that flavors out into the oil. I'm going to add the veggies. Everything except in the green scallions. Or shallot. Some people know it as shallot. And you can use any vegetable you want. The rice is the most important thing. So you can make this your own by using different stuff. Broccoli, cauliflower. You can add different layers of flavors. Mix this well. And here I'm using Chief fried rice seasoning. This is probably about a minute, and I'm going to add the rice and the egg. Look, the rice is falling apart. It is so loose. And it's still warm. Look at the steam coming off the rice. I'm gonna add the white pepper and the black pepper. This gives it a nice kick. Very flavorful, that white pepper. Toss this real well. Then we're gonna add our scallions. The reason I left it to the end, it gives a nice crunch to the rice. But if you want to add it with the vegetables, go right ahead. Mix this really well. Turn the stove on high and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And it's done. Cooking all this food just makes me hungry. And who can resist Guyanese Chinese fried rice? None of the rice is sticking together. And this is served really nice with some barbecue chicken or Chinese roast chicken. And of course we have to get our greens. And this cabbage and green scallion is the topping on the cake. And here it is, guys. My take on Guyanese Chinese fried rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, thumbs up, comment, share. And as always, please do consider subscribing, and thanks for watching the video.